There we go. Maybe she's in here. Maybe.
Thank you. Enjoy your flight.
We're moving quite quickly. Oh, that's freaky. Ooh.
Let's transfer into a rocket to participate in this launch. Thank you, and enjoy your flight.
Yeah. All right, I think we found Space Mountain. Still looking for leaves. I think I lost my hat. Hello. All right, so looking for leaves on Space Mountain. Hi, everybody. Have you seen my wife? I'm looking for my wife. Has anybody seen my wife? I guess, whoa. Okay, it's dark in here. Hi back there. Okay. Oh no. No. Whoa. We're going to that red wall in front of us. Oh, shit. Oh, here we go. Whoa. Did you see that? Okay, let's race those guys. See them over there? Oh, the guys over there. See them? We're going to race those guys over there. See? Right over there. Hi. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, it's too dark. It's too dark. No. No. Oh, no. Oh, where are we going? Where are we going? Whoa, look at that. Hey, did you see that? Oh, no. Whoa. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Oh, okay. Whoa, okay. Hey, whoa. Hey, look at that. Hey, that was a rocket ship over there. Whoa, no rocket ship. Oh, no. Whoa. Oh, no. Is it over? Okay. No, it's not over. Oh, we're going around. Oh, whoa. This is a ride that never ends. Whoa. We got, I thought it was over. Okay, it's all over now. Right? It's all over.
With our sensor vehicle, we come to a complete docking. Stand by the mission.
What happened then? Oh, there's people behind me. Oh, well, didn't find my wife. Put my mask back on. Okay, hat. Just straighten up the hat here. Okay, that was pretty intense. Hey, I found my hat. How did that happen? Thank you. All right, trying to get out now. Oh, get out. Yeah, big guy can't get out. Foot stuck. Okay, I'm out. Yay! Bye, guys. Yeah. Am I out there somewhere? That's me there. There I am, right there. I'm asking you if you've seen my wife anywhere. Is she on the computer screen somewhere?
Yeah, you can't go all the way out
There are people around me. I heard. You didn't? Okay. Maybe she's over here. Ooh. That's some funkiness. What else is down here? Let's take a quick look down here. Follow these people. Maybe they'll see. Please. Oh, ooh, hey, dog. There's a dog over there. Okay. Where's that rope ladder go to? Maybe Lisa's down. Lisa, are you down there? Stay tuned. We may find her later.